Well, 2022 has been one hell of a year. I lost 2 jobs, the car got stolen once, and I've been seeing a therapist for the past 6 months. Just kidding on that last one, or am I? You'll never know. This year has been absolutely wild, and this week's episode is going to be a slightly different pace one. We are going down memory lane and running you through our favourite bits of 2022. It's been absolutely wild, and there's so many of you guys, new subscribers out there, that what happened 12 months ago is probably news to you. So we're going to be recapping all that too. Guys, join me as we take a look at the 2022 Sam Young 4x4 wrap-up. Woo! Start of 2022 led us here. I was in my 6th year at working for an automotive online startup business, Sparesbox. You've probably all heard of it. And I spent 6 years commuting to this very workshop and this office space here in the heart of Sydney. And to be honest, this is where some of my favourite automotive memories have stemmed from. We built the Celica, we built the NGTY40 before it was a ute, after it was a ute, and a whole plethora of other vehicles, including race cars, the 200 series that you all have known and loved that now is owned by Steady, and a whole bunch of other vehicles out of here. We had a lot of fun. And it was here at the start of 22 where I sort of really started igniting my passion for YouTube and content creation. And it was looking like we were about to ramp up into a massive couple of years. And then boom, the big 6-inch long of a thing known as Redundancy hit me square in the face. And well, I lost my job. And that's the first job I lost this year. And now February, around the first week of Feb was my last time here. And look, it was a sad time. And as you can see, they're really thriving now. Hello? No, okay, no one's here. But that's okay. What it meant was that it gave me an opportunity to really start getting after the YouTube scene myself, really start putting some time, effort, energy, and creativity into my own channel. We started this year at 12,000-ish subscribers, and we're now heading well towards 40,000. So we've had insane growth, and that's all thanks to you guys. And really, the Redundancy gave me a kick in the ass to really help push me in the right direction for doing my own thing on my own channel. But as you guys know, YouTube doesn't pay too well, so I had to go and find another job somewhere, and that leads me to, well, a rather conservative time in my life. Let's go talk about it. We finished up 6 years at Sparesbox, which led me to my next chapter of 2022. That was my time at Fulcrum Suspensions. Yeah, I suppose, do you have to talk about this? Yeah, we do. Okay, cool. Anyway, Fulcrum Suspensions, great time for 2022, let me tell you that much for free. 6 months of absolute joy, bliss and fun. No, kidding. It was pretty fun, I guess, sort of. We did lots of things. We did the Sydney 4-wheel drive show. 3-foot trips.
3-foot trips.
Another criminal off the roads. We did the Brizzy 4-wheel drive show.
What do you want? Spanners, not spoons, huh? On that, we've got a couple of Sams selling it. Sam squared, folks.
We have the NGTY40 OG car wrapped in the Fulcrum colours, which was super sick. And it was actually the first time that car had been at any 4-wheel drive show, so it was cool to show the people, and it was really well received by all of you guys. We bought a GQ MIDI comp truck off Blue Flame, which we did absolutely nothing with, so that was cool as well.
Take a quick look at it, and then you won't see it forever, because it's never going to be done, because you know why?
The one thing we did do was organise some of the biggest Fulcrum Open Days those guys have ever seen or ever done here in Sydney and also Brisbane. So I've got that accolade, and I'm going to take that to the grave with me. Then I interviewed Bridget Crosado and said the word box, and well, box. This is, like we said in a video that got me cancelled recently, this is definitely one of the boxes that I'm most impressed by. Like, the attention to detail, everything in here, so sick. The fact that she lives out of this as well and it looks this clean all the time, well done. Boxes, oh, boxes everywhere. No. Oh, it's just a dream. Anyway, sorry guys, where were we? That's right. I interviewed Bridget Crosado at the Sydney 4-wheel drive show, and I said the word boxes, and well, I lost my job. So anyway, maybe Fulcrum is a little bit too conservative for old Sambo, but that takes us to the rest of 2022, which is the most exciting part of everything, because it was where I decided to go full-time on YouTube, start doing weekly uploads with the camera crew, bringing you guys the content that you love. So let's go talk about that. Well, we were stuck with a tricky decision. Do we go full-time on YouTube, or do we look for other work? And thankfully, I've got one of the most loyal camera crew in the world, Sydney Manual Productions, and they've stuck by me through Sparesbox times, through Fulcrum times, and now full-time. Fulcrum tried to steal them off me even, and they came with me, so that shows you how dedicated they are. And we took the plunge. We went full-time on YouTube, and we knew it was going to be tricky, but damn did I underestimate how hard it was going to be. But we got it happening. The past 6 months, we've been producing content that you guys have been absolutely frothing. Every week we've been trying to upload and we have absolutely nailed it. This year's consisted of giving away houses, cars, islands. No, that's Mr. Beast. No, what have we done? We've given away tyres, GME radios, vouchers, and everything in between to you guys to give back to the audience that have helped us live the dream. We've done Sus with Sam episodes. We've done the original NGTY40 build, different modifications. We've worked with some of the top workshops around Australia, some of the best brands in the country, and some of the most exciting people in the industry. It really has been a blessing. Then, well, you all know what happened. The NGTY40 got stolen. Well, this is a pretty devastating video to make, and I haven't cried yet, and I can feel it coming. NGTY40 was stolen from Rocklea here in Queensland, on the car trailer, as well as another bloke's R33 four-door Skyline. Now that was about 3 months ago from when you're watching this video, and that absolutely spun our world upside down, inside out, and pretty much put a stop to everything. We made some videos detailing the theft, trying to help recover it. 3 months on, there still have been 0 leads, 0 progress on finding that car. So it sort of left us with the only one option, that was buying a replacement car. We bought an immaculate 80 series, which you guys have all seen the reveal. If you haven't, we'll put the link in the description below. We filmed that about 50 meters that way, and you guys seem to be absolutely frothing that car, which is exciting because next year, well, the content is going to be absolutely off tap. We're going to build that car. We've got more Sus with Sams, more trips, more sponsors, more giveaways, absolutely more of everything. We're leveling up like you've never seen before. 30, 40,000 subscribers is going to be nothing what we're aiming for at the end of next year. And guys, we're going to bring you along for the ride with us. Cannot wait. 2022 has had its share of highs and lows, and right now it's definitely a high. 12 months ago, I lost my job of 6 years and was really down in the dumps, but it did stir a fire inside me to pursue the content and the YouTube side of things. Fast forward a few months, got another job. Fast forward 6 months after that, lost another job. Fast forward a few months after that, lost a car. But that is okay, because overall, 2022 has been absolutely sick. We've built a fast-growing, positive and supportive community of you guys out there that have helped me live the dream. We've also got some insane sponsors that have come on board and support me week in, week out, and help make this whole thing actually possible, bringing content to you guys every single week. Now next year we've got some insane things planned. We've got the NGTY40 2.0, we've got this warehouse space behind me that's going to be Sam Young 4x4 HQ, and we've got some insane plans. We've got trips, we've got builds, we've got other cars that we want to film, we've got competitions, we've got races, you name it, we're going to be doing it. So next year really is, we're going to be bringing the fire to the channel. 2023 is going to be the year of growth, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. Anyway, that's been a little recap of the past 12 months. It's been a wild ride, and I'm glad you guys have come along for the journey. If you've stuck around this far, make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and well, we'll see you next year.